Big up Rastaman in the building. You don't know the thing, go. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. You don't know. I'm a friend birthday. And we are celebrating birthday. You don't know the thing, go. I don't drink still, but a water in my glass. No.
We don't push back the table, them like it. It's all low. Tell them.
Talk to you.
Flat, sir?
Here. Better than bring on a hard one and show them some pretty. But
And I'm pretty and funny to you.
You need it?
That's your name.
On the board, not on the cake. Wake up your ancestor them.
Cake.
Flat, sir.
Cake. Better than bring one I hard one and we throw them so pretty. But
And then your name, Vanity.
You need it?
That's your name.
On the board, not on the cake. Yes, happy birthday. So you turn around, man. This was Thursday in front of me, so I see my name.
didn't give you no life. No.
So you turn around, man. This was Thursday in front of me, so I see my name.
Didn't give you no life. No.
You stand up for your country. So we're going to sing happy birthday first again.
We sing happy birthday.
Walk prayer.
You got that, chef? You got that?
Everything.
Oh my God, you meant to have the first slide.
No, sweet. You have enough. No, be good. That's the vanilla me.
Everything's so quiet. You planted it.
You want cake?
Yeah,
That's the vanilla the meat.
that's it.
No, no more than that, man. Yeah, sugar.
I put that for you. Is that better? Yeah.
The cream on.
They look like it tastes alright.
You know what it is? I know I just don't. Yeah, I don't just try to what it is. The taste is so good and then there's a foot up. But even on the cruise, it wasn't good. Macaroon. Oh, Chinese.
You have the meringue.
Yeah, but that's just egg white. Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, come on, everybody. How are you doing? You okay? You alright? How old are you tonight? 18. We celebrate his 18th birthday tonight, his birthday. So, let's sing happy birthday up together. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.